Welcome to cribs. Come on back. It'll hold.
Oh, say less. You can hold my fat ass.
Funny on biscuit ass.
Oh, I have to bleep that out.
What? I love dick. It is cold in here, huh?
Yeah, it's colder than outside.
It definitely...
Oh, Gabby was here. I love Tilly. Send it to her.
I'm going to. What if she... Why do I feel like she could put that?
Ooh, there's stairs.
Where? Oh yeah, we're gonna go up there.
Damn, there's glass everywhere. So this used to be a brothel, huh?
It is cold in here.
Yeah. Colder than I would like it to be.
Oh man, if this came through. By the way, there's a butcher board right there. Oh, and these feel real weak. Oh, there it is. Here we go.
Oh, I do not like those stairs at all. Oh.
Lucifer. Extra tall glory hole. Ooh, that's... Oh, that's fine. There's just... Food for the people. Oh, there we go. Some... Here's the room Gabby's lined up. What does that say? Oh, there's two of them. There's another one right here, too. I love pussy and clit. I love pussy clit. Forgive me for...
Oh, hell no.
Dylan is a Jew. What the fuck?
Here, it's worse than here. Dylan eats ass. You thought I was joking. Oh, shit. I guess the jazz sucks.
Jazz sucks. Dylan eats ass, though.
Dude, there's pentagrams and shit everywhere.
Oh, yeah. Hell yeah, brother. How you doing?
Simp house.
Is that what it says? Simp house. Believers never die.
God.